All right, Devanjali, welcome to the this session and congratulations for getting placed.
Thank you, sir.
So, can you give some of the background about yourself and how was your journey learning data science and now how you're feeling about getting placed in the company?
Yeah. So, a background about me, I'll talk a little bit about that. So, I am from an engineering background of chemical and petroleum engineering. And I was working in the domain in my alma mater for around like 1.5 years as a lecturer. And given the fact that I was in the oil and gas sector, and I had to deal with a lot of data, given the actual live field data, I didn't understand or didn't know how to go about the data in the first place, because there used to be so much of live data with me, and I was also involved in the projects of the companies. So I used to see people, doing things about it, tabulating the data, getting analysis from the data. So that kind of drove me to the fact that, okay, let me even try how is it done, how it is, actually taking insights from the same. So that quite kickstarted my entire thing of how to go about it. And yeah, the journey started, and then I'm so thankful to you that being from a non-technical background, I transitioned, I went through so many online materials before even knowing that something like this I can be taking up in future. And yeah, so from a non-technical background, from zero coding to Python to SQL, everything from, how can you just make it understand to a layman. So I was a layman then.
Hmm.
So I'm still learning, but I was a layman back then. And from zero to something, it took a lot. And I'll always be thankful for the scholar. Like, they have given me that kickstart of knowing and doing things in a very easy possible way, and to find the journey, ahead. It was a great transition.
How was the feeling getting 70% hike and also how was the placement support?
The placement support was excellent, really, really commendable. I mean, at constant, I had a constant fear of every step of how this is going to happen, how that is going to happen. So whenever I tried connecting with you guys, there was like always instant reactions from you guys, and every time it was solved. And that was really good and helped me, gave me the confidence that, okay, I can proceed, and it's not like something that I cannot do. That confidence, that boost. So it was amazing, and the placement team has been constantly a support, and without that, I think it wouldn't have been a 70% hike or any hike, as a matter of fact. So it was great transition process.
But I think after this placement which you had, right? I think the confidence will be much more now, and you may expect more hike. I think the confidence will be there that you should able to crack more on the
Yeah.
maybe
So
after 5 months, 6 months, or maybe now between the joining, you may get some offer with maybe more hike.
yes, so that's the thing. When I actually interviewed, I did see some of the common points that the interviewers mostly looked out how are the basic concepts. So they will not ask very big things, but very small things. Do you have an understanding on the same? So
Mm.
that's where I think you guys played such a major role, because when we were doing the course, every small topic, every small things, the nitty gritties, the concepts were dealt with very ease. So keeping that in mind, keeping those things in mind while I was interviewing, and it actually helped me a lot, because the small things mattered a lot in the transition process. And the way I answered them, I could actually relate to the classes of how it was dealt in the class, how it was told in the class. And I could have, I did say on the same line. So I think that gave a major boost. And of course, I think if I get better opportunities, why not? But yeah, the confidence has kind of gone up from what I started and what I'm now.
Right, and I think working with FedSpan and after that, you will, if you'll switch after maybe 6 months or a year, I think the learning you will have again. This is what we have covered. Obviously, we learned something, but it's
Yeah.
a big world, right? And you have to
Yes.
learn over the period of time. It's
Yes.
never-ending process. So I
Yes.
think this is gonna be a kick start for you, but after that, there will be definitely an exponential increase if you do
Yes.
well in your current company and in learning over the period of time.
Yes, definitely.
So congratulations once again. I hope you will do well.
Thank you so much,
Yeah,
sir.
thanks for your time.
Yeah, big thank you to you for being such an amazing mentor. All from Python to SQL to Tableau, it was always new. And now I know, I think I know at least little bit, or like I think a little more than little bit. And thanks to you for the amazing sessions.
Thanks, Devanjali.